This week in St. Charles County, all healthcare workers, even dentists and paramedics, are in the process of getting the COVID-19 vaccine. Good evening to you. I'm Corey Stark.
I'm Samantha Jones, but News 4 is asking when the county will get more and why other counties haven't received shipments from the state. New at 6, the answers Emma Hogan covered tonight.
Knew that I was going to be at risk for, certain disease transmission.
But when Dr. Danielle Reardon decided to pursue dentistry over 10 years ago, she had no idea she'd be at risk of contracting COVID-19. Until last week, the dentist in St. Peter's wasn't sure how soon she'd be able to get the first shot.
To be perfectly honest with you, stumbled upon it because I called my local health department, and I must have just called at the perfect time because they had a time available to give me an appointment, and I was able to go in the next day.
We're eager to vaccinate as many folks as we can and as quickly as we can.
Dimitri Chapman with the St. Charles County Health Department says the county received 400 doses of the Moderna vaccine from the state before Christmas. So far, they've administered at least 210 doses to patient-facing healthcare workers in private practices, some hospital workers, dentists, and paramedics working with COVID-positive patients.
We want to make sure that that vaccine is available to every single first responder who wants it.
Kyle Gaines with the St. Charles County Ambulance District says over 80 paramedics considered frontline workers have already received the vaccine. Other first responders, like police officers and firefighters, don't qualify until Phase 1B.
Our paramedics and certain other first responders are coming into contact with COVID-positive patients each and every day.
I do wish the state would be more transparent about who they've allocated vaccine to. It would help us plan at community levels.
So how does the state decide which counties get the vaccine? Leaders with the St. Louis County Health Department say they haven't received any shipments and don't know when they will. Chapman says the St. Charles County Health Department isn't sure why they were selected to get 400 doses and doesn't know when they'll get more.
We need to understand all of these things whenever we're allocating vaccines so we can do it in the most ethical and efficient and just way possible to meet the needs of the community.
Tonight, Dr. Reardon's staff members are registered to get the vaccine, but still waiting for their turn.
And I don't know how the stars aligned to help me versus, probably anybody else who potentially could have called that day. But I just feel very fortunate that that worked out for me.
So if you are a patient-facing healthcare worker in St. Charles County, you can register online right now to get the vaccine. So far, I'm told there are about 1,000 people signed up. When those people will get vaccinated all depends on when the county gets another shipment. And as you heard, that's anyone's guess. Reporting in St. Charles County tonight, Emma Hogue, News 4.